which the Sphira is Netzach of Tiferet. The last couple of days we were explaining that Tiferet is beauty, and Netzach, that's an enigma to start explaining Netzach. You can interpret it as victory, Nitzachon, and you can interpret it in many other ways. Today we're going to choose to interpret it as eternal, what comes from the word in Hebrew, Netzach. Netzach is nitzchi, something that is eternal. And again, the words in Hebrew can be easily changed and expressed in a different way. And there are many ways to approach it. And by the way, the classes that we have here now, this is not the only way to look at the approach of Sfirat Omer. Last year we had another series of Sfirat Omer, and we were talking about other things. And you know, the Netzach here, yesterday we spoke about Tiferet Shebatiferet. And we explained it that it's the beauty of truth and the truth of beauty, right? We explained that Tiferet is also Emet. And we quoted the verse, Titen Emet leYaakov. We know that Yaakov is Midat Tiferet. It was also Midat Emet. So we know Tiferet is also Emet. And we were trying to find the connection between one and the other. The Netzach, it's another attribute that will connect beauty and truth. They always go together. Now, when you want to think of what is one of the most, I can't say the most, because that will already be difference of opinions, but one of the most beautiful things that somebody can do in this world. If we will now quickly make a survey, what would you say would be the most beautiful thing in this world that one can do? And I think, and to many others, it would be doing a nice act, a good act, an act of kindness. Good deeds, it's hard to find. Not everybody is jumping on doing good deeds. I think, that's my opinion, I think many will agree with me, that one of the most nicest, one of the most beautiful things to do in this world is a good deed. And, you know, we just learned about it today. We learned about it many times, but in the morning we learned about a Mishnah that if you are familiar with Pirkei Avot, now we also learned the halacha this morning that many congregations, they have the custom of throughout the summer to learn Pirkei Avot. Some do it every day, some do it once a week. So some congregations, they learn Pirkei Avot every day in the summer between Mincha and Arvit. We learn Zohar, other congregations learn Pirkei Avot. In Pirkei Avot, there's a very simple Mishnah that says mitzvah goreret mitzvah. A mitzvah will drag after it another mitzvah. And this is on the positive side. On the negative side, avera goreret avera. You apply yourself to do a sin, then the sin will drag you to do another sin. When you do a good deed, a good action, then it right away will cause you and pull you to do another good action. Mitzvah goreret mitzvah.